Unusually heavy rain battered parts of Southern California on Tuesday morning, jamming the morning commute, causing scattered flooding and prompting the National Weather Service to issue a flood advisory for the LA area. Downtown Los Angeles received 1.70 inches of rain before 7:30 a.m., setting a record for the day and making it the wettest day in the area this calendar year, with plenty more precipitation expected through the morning, said National Weather Service meteorologist Robbie Munroe. The rain was all the more of a shock given the drought conditions that have left the region unusually dry and hot over the last 4 years. As of last summer, Los Angeles County has gotten between 50% and 60% of its normal rainfall. Downtown Los Angeles normally receives more than 14 inches of rain by this time of year. This year, downtown has gotten less than 8 inches. This rain will do little to ease the drought. Between 80% and 90% of the rain that falls in the urban Southland winds up in a vast storm drain system that eventually dumps it into the ocean. Several SIG alerts were issued on freeways because of accidents, including one on the 118 freeway in Granada Hills, another at the 210 to 134 junction in Pasadena, and a third on the 5 freeway at Stadium Way.